Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
Suppose the customer is having a requirement that they want to create some. As per the business requirement they want to create some custom tiles. So we have an option where we can able to go and create the custom tiles also. That is also possible, okay. So here, whatever the things which you are seeing here, this is the standard one and here the approval section, and for you, this is something, the notification which, time to time, the user will be getting, either the manager or an employee or an admin. They will be getting the notification in term of the approvals or in term of any contractual employment contract is getting to an end for the user that also, or if any leave application. Okay. Or anything which is related to the salary approval, anything for the manager or any user that will be getting updated. Even the birthday alerts are also. We can also get the birthday alerts in the home page here. Okay. So this is something, the configuration, how it is being done, according to that the alerts and notification will be reflecting in this particular home page system. Okay. Now going ahead. You can see here, this is the global search. You can see here, this is the global search. In this global search. Now we have said that this is the company. So every environment when we have a company ID, that company ID stores the employee data and the organization data. Okay. Whatever employee which we are hired in this employee, in this company ID, that all employees will be stored in the employee directory. Okay. Either it is an active employee or it is an inactive employee. Active employee means what? Active employee means the employee who is still working. Inactive employee means the employee whom we have initiated the termination. It is a terminator. So any inactive employee or any active employee, both employees will be stored in the both categories. Both state employee status type will be stored in the employee directory. And when you want to search any employee from the employee directory, this is the global search which you can able to go and use. So when I'm just searching with an employee name, I can able to go and search that employee, any employee from here, from the global. Second thing is that for a consultant side, when you want to go and search for any configuration to be in SuccessFactors we call as a configuration tool. Okay. In SAP HR we call as a transaction codes. So here we are not using any key codes or we are not using any info types. Here we are using configuration tools. Okay. So now, if you are accessing the Employee Central module. So for the Employee Central, whatever the configuration to, what is the configuration to? Configuration tool is the tool which help us to do all the configuration for that particular module. Okay. So we should be clear which configuration tool is used for doing what configuration. Okay. That as a beginner, you cannot able to go directly and search that configuration tool. But if you are into the beginner more than the beginner, into an intermediate level where you can able to search for the configuration, then global search will help you for searching that configuration. That is, if I'm going with managed data. This is one configuration tool, managed data. If I'm just going and using managed job, this is another configuration tool. So I know the configuration tool. That is the thing I can able to directly type here. Okay. That is, the flexibility of this particular SuccessFactor application. There is no complexity is involved here. Okay. If you don't know the configuration tool, then you can go into that particular module. How you will go into that particular module, go to the Home tab here and in the Home tab. First of all, these all tabs which are showing. These are the end user tabs. Okay. So these tabs are not the consultant or the admin that this types of common to all end users. So every end user, either it is a manager or it is an employee level, everybody can able to go and see these steps, depending upon the permissions. Okay. Now here, when you go down, you can see a tab that is called as a Admin Center. So when you see here the Admin Center tab, this Admin Center tab is the tab which has been accessible by the admins or by the SuccessFactor consultants. Okay. So this Admin Center will be having all the modules, which all the SuccessFactor modules will be coming under this Admin Center. We can able to search that all modules under this Admin Center. Okay. Depending upon the permission. If we have the permission, we will get this Admin Center page and we can click on the Admin Center. Okay. So once you click on this Admin Center, then, after going into Admin Center, you can see a section called Tools. Okay, so once you click on this Tools here, so here you can see all modules, you can see 360, Development, Calibration, Company Settings, Compensation. Okay. Most importantly, the employee file and the company settings. Okay. Employee file and the company setting. Whatever this hyperlinks are showing here. This is the configuration tools. Okay. So in the company settings and the employee file you will. It covers mostly this one, what you call employee center configuration tools. But if you are doing this, elimination of performance and board management. Yeah. So this in Admin Center tool, all these modules which you are seeing, this is stored in the Admin Center and each module will be having the configuration. Okay. So if, as a beginner, it is always a best practice to navigate from the Home tab to the Admin Center, and from here you can go to the Tools and from the Tools, when you click on here you get into this page and here you can see all the tabs will be there. Okay. So, as an admin you can able to access all the modules, okay. But from a customer side, when a key user is there who is only involved into the performance management or only involved into the compensation, they can only access the performance page or the compensation, but they don't have the access to the other configurations. Even they are not involved into the other configuration. Also, configuration part will be taken purely by the admins. Anything which is coming, a request from the end user, that will be coming to the product owner and from the product owner it will be redirecting to the consultants and we, as a consultant, we have to do it as a support ticket. Okay. Got it. So yeah. So this is just an overview in the first session today. I'm just going up. So I'm just holding my session here.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@uptalk.com.